Yes. Good morning, everybody. First, I want to take some attendance. All the performers are here. Please respond. Anupam Jati, lower nursery. Pallavi Kumari Shah, lower nursery. Bani Gupta, lower nursery. Devyanshu Prasad, lower nursery. Oishiki Das, lower nursery. Devyanshu Das, nursery. Srijita Das, nursery. Ognivo Ghosh, KG. Udhiraj Roy Chaudhary, KG.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Harshi Roy, class 1.
Yes, miss.
Rudro Naskar, class 1. Jasleen Kaur,
Present,
class 1. Rijit Naskar, KG. Ritam Kormokar, KG. Oishit Kaul, KG. Kritika Gupta, KG. Ishani Adhikari, KG.
Yes, present, miss.
Sandri Yadav, class 1. Pratibha Hazra, class 2.
Present, miss.
Avni Kumari, class 2. Shreya Roy, class 2.
Present, miss.
Yatika Shah, class 3.
Present, miss.
Dipshika Prasad, class 3.
Present, miss.
Well done.
Omnibus was present.
Okay, please keep your mic off. Mute everybody. Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. Freedom is our birthright. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day and good morning, everyone. I now request Ms. Chakravarti, the founder of this school, to say a few words.
Thank you, Ms. Das. Good morning, my dear children, parents, teachers, and some of my esteemed guests are here. A very good morning. 74 years have already passed since 1947, and we are on the 75th year now. 75th year of our glorious independence. I hope we all will make our country proud. And I hope you, children, particularly you, will make our country proud. You will always keep our tricolor flag flying high. Just as you saw very recently, Neeraj Chopra, he won the gold medal in Olympics for javelin, and he really did India proud. So in the same way, I'm sure you all will make our motherland proud. Independence Day is not only a day to celebrate your freedom. Yes, of course, you have become free today. That is very good. But we must also understand one thing. What is freedom? Is freedom only for you? Is freedom only for me? No. It is for everybody. When one child does not get food at the night and goes to sleep hungry, when a child shivers in the cold or doesn't have a roof on his head to protect him from the rain, when a child doesn't have clothes to wear or a school to go to, books in hands, do you think that is freedom? Definitely, we did not want this, did we? So when we say freedom, we mean at least everybody should have food. At least everybody should have a roof on their head, clothes on their bodies, school books and school bags. At least everybody should have a smile on his or her face. Then only we can say we are really free. And the children of my school, FunLearn, I'm very thankful to you all and to all my friends that we often lend our hands to these people who are in need of help. You know very well that we recently started a new project called Milky Way, where we are giving milk, biscuits to these children. You all have milk in your breakfast, don't you? Don't you all drink milk? Yes. You all drink milk every day in your breakfast. But you know, there are so many children. Yes, I know. But you know, there are so many children who do not drink milk because they do not have milk. Don't you think we should give them at least a cup of milk every day? And this is exactly what you have started through your Milky Way project. And then when Durga Puja comes or Christmas comes or Eid comes, you all wear new clothes, don't you? But do you know there are so many children who do not have new clothes? Don't you think they should also wear new clothes and celebrate the festivals? Yes, children? The day you do this, the day you are able to give this, that day actually you are making your country a really free India. You are helping in freedom. Our freedom fighters did their bit. They gave up their lives for this country. But what about us? We need to do our bit. And so we have started gifting of new clothes during Durga Puja. You know, children, last year you gave new clothes to almost some 400 children of the community. And I'm sure this year also on Durga Puja, we are going to give them some new clothes. Won't you give them new clothes, children? Don't you want your brothers and sisters, everybody to wear new clothes and be happy and go to pandals wearing the new clothes and showing off their new clothes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
That, my children, is freedom.
Yes, miss.
That is real independence. And as you all know, I've already sent out a mail to everyone about new clothes. So do submit your new clothes, drop them to school, latest by the 30th of September. We are going to start distributing these clothes on 9th of October to everybody. And like last year, the parents came, our friends came to help. This year also, I will request all my parents to come and help in the distribution process. So children, remember that give new clothes to these boys and girls who are all around you. By 30th September, kindly deposit all the clothes to school and keep on helping your brothers and sisters by donating a packet of milk, packets of biscuits to them so that they become strong. Because if you are strong, if you are healthy, you can think healthy. And if you can think healthy, you can make your country healthy and strong, isn't it? Good. I'm very happy that I'm seeing such smiling faces in front of me. I will not take much time. I know you all are waiting to do your program. So I'm once again passing it over to Ms. Das. Ms. Das, kindly continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. for this wonderful speech. Today, we are gathered over here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. On this day, India became independent and our dream of living in an independent country came true. It is a great and proud day for all of us. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in thousands of lives. This quote by Netaji means that we are the human incarnation of the ideas that our ancestors have thought of. We must strive each and every day of our life for a better India that is prosperous and equal to all its citizens. Let us start our cultural program. The first performance is a group song by Qazi Nazrul Islam, Durgamogiri Kantar Moru, prepared by the students of music class mentored by Ms. Hazra. The performers are Srijita Das, Nursery, Odhiraj Roy Chaudhuri, KG, Ognivo Ghosh, KG, Oharshi Roy, Class 1, Prathama Hazra, Class 2, Avni Kumari, Class 2, Shreya Roy, Class 2, and Deepshika Prasad, Class 3. One, two, three, start.
দুর্গা মুগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পারাবার হে লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশিতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার দুর্গা মুগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পারাবার হে লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশিতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার দুলিতেছে তরি ফুলিতেছে চল ভুলিতেছে মাঝি পথ কি আছে বালকে থরি বেহাল আছে হিম্মত আর হওয়া কোন হাকিতে ভবিষ্যৎ একটু ফোন ভাই নিতে হবে বাড়ি যেতে হবে তোর পার লুঙ্গিতে হবে তিনি রাত্রি মাতৃমন্ত্রী শান্তি সাবধান যুগ যুগান্ত সঞ্চিত পদ বসিয়েছে অভিযান বঞ্চিত বুকে বঞ্চিত অভিমান এদের ফলে নিতে হবে শাস্তি দিতে হবে অধিকার দুর্গা মোগের কান্তায় মোর দুস্তর পার হয়ে লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার অসহায় মরিচে ডুবিয়া দেখছিলেন মুসলিম ওই দুর্গা মগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পার হয়ে লঙ্ঘিত হবে রাত্রিতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার ফাঁসির মঞ্চে গেয়ে গেল যারা জীবনের জলগান আসিয়া লক্ষ্যে দাঁড়াইছে তারা দিবে কোন বলিদান আজি পরীক্ষা জাতির অথবা জাতিরই করিবে ত্রাণ তুলিতেছে তরি ফুলিতেছে জল কান্ডার হুঁশিয়ার দুর্গা মুগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পার হয়ে লঙ্ঘিত হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার দুর্গা মুগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পার হয়ে লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার দুর্গা মুগিরি কান্তার মরু দুস্তর পার হয়ে লঙ্ঘিতে হবে রাত্রি নিশীতে যাত্রীরা হুঁশিয়ার ধন্যবাদ 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 ধন্যবাদ
Good, very good. Children, clap for your friends. You can unmute yourselves and clap and again mute yourselves after clapping. Well done. This is a very difficult song. Tough words, difficult pronunciation, very difficult tune. Well done. Very well done. And Miss Hazra, thank you so much. Can we all see you, Miss Hazra? Thank you very much, Miss Hazra, for training the children. So the children have been practicing, and they need to go on practicing and practicing to perfect this song. It may take many more months to perfect it. But anyway, at least you all have tried to sing this song by Nazrul Islam. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss.
My friend Shashwati is over here. Shashwati, do you want to say anything? She has given you all a clap sign. There. There, my friend is there.
দারুণ হয়েছে, দারুণ. I can imagine the kind of effort that has gone into getting all the children together to sing this song. খুব ভালো হয়েছে. আর I think I want to especially thank all the mothers. এত সুন্দর সব ব্যাকড্রপ পেছনে সমস্ত না দেখতে পাচ্ছিলাম, বাড়িতে নিশ্চয়ই বাবা বা মা কেউ তো করে দিয়েছেন এত কাজের মাঝখানে, খুব খুব ভালো লাগছিল দেখতে. ভেরি নাইস, কালারফুল. থ্যাংক ইউ প্যারেন্টস.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, so we are now going to move on to the next program.
Independence Day is a festival when we celebrate our martyrs and their struggle of a long span of 200 years. India was a British colony for 2 centuries. In this period, the nation underwent a lot of events which made our freedom fighters anxious for a better future that we are witnessing today. The events being the massacre at the Jallianwala Bagh, Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha, the faulty land settlement system only benefiting the crown, racial discrimination and endless such plights. We have come so far that we have started taking our independence for granted, forgetting the true meaning of the day. Now I would like to call the students from KG to class 3 to recite a beautiful poem, Khuku O Khoka, written by Annoda Shankar Ray. The performers are Odhiraj Roy Choudhury, KG, Avni Kumari, class 1, Prathama Hazra, class 1, Shreya Roy, class 2, and Deepshika Prasad, class 3.
নমস্কার, কবি অন্নদা শঙ্কর রায়ের কুকু ও খোকা। তেলের শিশি ভাঙলো বলে কুকুর করে রাগ করো, তোমরা যেসব বুড়ো খোকা ভারত ভেঙে ভাগ করো, তার বেলা ভাঙছো প্রদেশ, ভাঙছো জেলা, জমি জমা ঘর বাড়ি, পাটের আড়ত, ধানের গোলা, কারখানা আর রেলগাড়ি, তার বেলা চায়ের বাগান, কয়লা খনি, কলেজ, থানা, আপিস ঘর, চেয়ার ঘড়ি, পিয়ন পুলিশ প্রফেসর, তার বেলা যুদ্ধ জাহাজ, জঙ্গি মোটর, কামান বিমান, অশ্ব উট, ভাগাভাগির ভাঙাভাঙি, চলছে যেন হরির লুট, তার বেলা তেলের শিশি ভাঙলো বলে কুকুর করে রাগ করো, তোমরা যেসব ধেড়ে খোকা বাংলা ভেঙে ভাগ করো, তার বেলা ধন্যবাদ। ধন্যবাদ।
Very nice.
Please clap.
Clap for
Children,
them.
please clap. Please give your reactions.
Moving to our next performance, our dance by the students of lower nursery and nursery. The performers are Anupam Jati, lower nursery, Pallavi Kumari Shah, lower nursery, Vani Gupta, lower nursery, Devyanshu Prasad, lower nursery, Oishiki Das, lower nursery, Devyanshu Das, lower nursery, and Srijita Das, nursery.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे जैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है पे हम नाज जाने ना हमको चाहो तो हमको आसमाना हम कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटते के हार से इंडिया वाले हर जीतने हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने के चलिए भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी यार जो बेकार तो जान साथ करता है कहते हैं हमको प्यार से जीना में छूटते के हार से जीना वाले छूटते हार से दिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली में सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले